Welcome and congratulations on your purchase of the X4-LRF. This LRF features a high-performance ranging laser with co-aligned visible and infrared aiming lasers, an integrated applied ballistics calculator, and onboard environmental and motion sensors. This compact, rugged device gives you a complete ranging and ballistics solution in one. In this instructional guide, we'll walk you through the installation, configuration, safe operation, and maintenance of your X4-LRF. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. Inside your X4-LRF package, you'll find the LRF device, a rechargeable CR123 battery, USB-C charging cable, low-profile wired remote, hook and loop adhesive pads, 3 alignment targets, microfiber cleaning cloth, a quick start guide, and the user manual. Now let's familiarize you with the LRF. The mode knob for laser type selection is located on the back of the device here. Next to it is the laser status LED and I/O port for connection with other Maztech accessories. On the same side as the battery cover is a hot shoe for other future add-ons. On the front of the device is an aperture cover. To remove the aperture cover, pull the elastic section and attach in the opposite direction on the aperture cover hook. Before first use, charge the battery using the provided USB-C cable. Plug one end into the battery, the other into a computer or standard USB wall charger. A red light indicates charging, and green means fully charged. If you don't see a light, try covering it or dimming the room. The supplied battery is intended for training purposes. For extended use, switch to a lithium CR123 battery. To install the battery, turn the mode knob to off, unscrew the cap, insert the battery following polarity indicators, then hand tighten the cap. Turn the knob to range and confirm the battery type shown on the display. Use the L and R buttons to adjust and press M to confirm. The LRF contains Class 3R lasers, emitting both invisible and visible radiation. Keep the aperture cover closed and latched when not in use. Avoid direct eye exposure to the laser beams, as serious injury may result. Review all laser safety guidelines provided in the manual's appendix before operating the device. Buttons include M for menu, L and R for navigation and laser control. The main screen shows elevation, windage, and range outputs. Press the M button to scroll to the ballistic information screen. Here you will see your current weapon and ammo profile, as well as transonic range distance. On this page, you can also double-click the M button to adjust wind speed and direction. When the knob is in the R position, the R button will perform a range measurement, but the L button is disabled to prevent accidental pointing laser activation. When the knob is in the visible low position, the L button will activate the visible aiming laser. The R button is also still available to perform a range measurement. Press the L button to see the pointing laser. Long click to keep it on. Double click to toggle it on, then single click to disable. Press the R button to initiate a range measurement. Double click to activate continuous ranging, then single click to disable. Long click the M button to display the menu. Use the L and R buttons to navigate, and single click the M button to select a menu item. Double click the M button to go back a menu, and long click the M button to exit the menu. After 5 minutes of inactivity, the display sleeps. Press M or R to wake it. After 6 hours of inactivity, the system turns off. Compass calibration should be performed after battery installation to ensure accurate directional readings. After battery installation, calibrate the compass. Perform calibration by moving the unit up and down, then rotating it 360 degrees horizontally. If calibration fails, reseat the battery cap and try again. Recalibrate anytime you change the battery. The most common configuration is above your scope, or if you're using the LRF in conjunction with the X4 FCS, the LRF can also be mounted above the FCS as shown. For other possible configurations, consult the user manual. To mount on a rail, loosen both bolts, place the unit on the rail, tighten bolts to a maximum of 60 inch-pounds or a quarter turn past hand tight. Install the low-profile remote by choosing a mounting location, ensuring the cable reaches, cleaning the surfaces, attaching adhesive pads and allowing 48 hours to cure. For scope alignment, first determine your configuration as described earlier in this video. When the LRF is mounted above your scope, measure the vertical distance from your scope's optical centerline to the X4-LRF centerline indicator. Use this in the 0.65-inch horizontal offset to mark the alignment target and follow the steps using the visible low laser and alignment card. While knob is turned to VL, double-click the L button to turn on the visible laser. Use the provided screwdriver to adjust windage and elevation until your laser aligns with the correct aim point. Fire a few rounds to confirm alignment, then turn off the laser with a single L button click. While still at the range, set up your ballistic profile using the Maztech companion app. This will allow the LRF to capture environmental data for the Weapon Zero parameters in your weapon's ballistic settings. Launch the Maztech companion app, and you should see a screen that looks like this. Before attempting to initiate a wireless connection to the LRF, verify you have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone. And follow the app steps to pair with the LRF, navigating through the on-device menu to turn Bluetooth on and initiate pairing. Confirm the pairing on both devices. Once connected, select your weapon profile or add a new one. Choose or create an ammunition profile using either presets or data from Applied Ballistics or your own measurements. For accurate results, use a chronograph to measure muzzle velocity. Maintain your LRF by keeping it clean with a microfiber cloth, storing it within the specified temperature range, and avoiding bake-on coatings or disassembly. If troubleshooting is needed, check the aperture cover, battery, and settings. Refer to the online manual for further help. Never aim at people, vehicles, or aircraft. Store securely and do not disassemble. If laser malfunctions, remove the battery and contact customer support. Thanks for choosing the Maztech X4-LRF. For more detailed instructions, videos, and additional support, please visit our website at maztechindustries.com. Happy shooting!